Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2024 Volkswagen Atlas and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So just apply slip solution to the entire lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. So to start with the installation, we're going to apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Make sure to align it to this section of the taillight. So align it here, make sure it stays aligned here as well. So right on the edge, should be good right there. So now just lift the film carefully, apply Tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position, and then with your squeegee, start tacking the film down. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's around this area. And now all we need to do is just do a light stretch in order to help remove this finger here. So just stretch the film just lightly until the finger is gone. So roughly around there should be good. Hold the film, apply Tack solution on top, and then with your squeegee, just start securing the rest of the film. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. That way we could seal the edges by applying heat. So tack down, and then to seal all of the edges, just apply Tack solution with a little bit of heat, and then use your microfiber towel to seal the top edge, and then we'll install the piece that overlaps to this section. So apply Tack solution on the edges, grab your heat gun and your microfiber towel, and then apply heat, and as you're applying heat, just start tacking down everything to seal the edges. So for the next piece, same process, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do with this one is just place it and align it to this section of the taillight first. So align it there, make sure everything's covered. All we have to do now is lift the film carefully and apply Tack solution underneath the film and on top. That way we can start securing it to this section and then working our way to the other end. So just hold the film, grab your squeegee, tack everything down. Same process, remove all of the solution underneath the film. And then we're just going to do just a small stretch to reach this section of the strip to the edge of the taillight here. So now all I have to do is stretch the film to reach to the edge. If this section of the taillight does get dry, just apply a little bit of slip solution. That way we're able to stretch the film to the edge. Make sure this area is dry. That way your hand has a good grip onto the film. And just stretch it, hold it in position, and tack it down. And to secure it here, just apply a little bit of Tack solution. That way the adhesive is able to activate faster. So tack everything down. Secure, secure, secure. And to remove these small little fingers on the top section of the taillight, just apply Tack solution, a little bit of heat, and then with your squeegee, just tack them down at an angle. That way we remove them. So tack down as much as possible before applying heat and Tack solution. And then same process here, Tack solution and heat to seal the entire tint that was just installed. So to start with the installation for the large section of the taillight, apply slip solution to the taillight lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, start by aligning the tint to where the cutout of the emblem is located. So align it right in the center. And we should be good. Once you place the film, now we're just going to start securing everything in the middle section. So lift the film carefully and apply Tack solution underneath the film and on top. Make sure everything stays aligned on the top and lower section, and then start tacking down this section of the film. So once you finish securing this section of the film, now we're going to work on one of the sides. So just make sure to do a light stretch to reach it to the edge and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. And then your squeegee to secure it, and make sure to go all around this section, remove all of the solution underneath the film, and then repeat the process for this side. So stretch it, apply tack solution, hold it in position, make sure everything's aligned, apply tack solution on top, and start tacking everything down. And then once we're done with both sides, we're going to come back and seal the edges with the tack solution and heat all around, and then we should be good. So like I mentioned, to seal all the edges of the tint, just apply tack solution, and then we're going to grab our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire edge of the tint. And as we're applying heat, we're just going to seal everything with our microfiber towel. So just take your time doing this step, and then once we're done with this whole installation, we can move on to the last thing, which is post-heating the entire tail light. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire tail light tint installation is to post-heat the entire tint. So just apply tack solution to the tint. We're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. And we're going to use our microfiber towel to help tack down the film in case it is still lifting, and also to help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.